Hello dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 5 from the book Flamingo Named Indigo and written by Louis Fisher. Okay, dear students, let's begin the chapter. When I first visited Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. The author explains about his first interaction with Mahatma Gandhi. He says that he first met Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram, which was in Sevagram. It was located in central India. Gandhi said that he would tell him about his struggle against the British, which first took place in the year 1970. He had gone to the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There were 2,301 delegates and many visitors during the proceedings. Gandhi recounted a peasant came up to me looking like any other peasant in India, poor and emaciated, and said, I am Rajkumar Shukla. I am from Champaran and I want you to come to my district. Gandhi had never heard of the place. It was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near Kingdom of Nepal. Okay? Dear students, let's see first the word meaning. Convention means agreement. Convention means agreement. You have to learn the meaning of this word. Okay? Another word is here delegate. Okay, not delegate, delegates. Delegates means representatives. Okay, ऐसे लोग जो किसी मीटिंग में दूसरे ऑफिसर्स के थ्रू भेजे जाते हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. Peasant means a small farmer. Peasant का मतलब होता है एक छोटा सा किसान. Next word is emaciated. Emaciated means thin, extreme thinness. Okay. Next is Champaran. Dear students, Champaran is a place in Bihar. Okay. Now, I'll explain the paragraph to you. Dear students, here the author says that in the month of December in the year 1916, Mahatma Gandhi went to attend the annual meeting of the Indian National Congress. Okay. He went there to attend the meeting of Indian National Congress Party. There were about 2,301 representatives and visitors. Gandhi recalled that a small farmer named Rajkumar Shukla. He came up to me. Came up to me means he went to him and he was just poor and thin. Emaciated means thin. He requested Gandhi to visit Champaran and requested Gandhi to visit the place Champaran, a place in the foothills of the Himalaya mountain range. Towering means tall mountains, okay, near the kingdom of Nepal. All right, let's continue. Under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. He was illiterate but resolute. He had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar. And somebody had probably said, speak to Gandhi. Now, dear students, here sharecroppers means a tenant farmer who gives a part of each crop as rent. मतलब एक ऐसा farmer जो दूसरे लोगों के खेतों में काम करता हो और उनको अपना क्रॉप का एक पार्ट रेंट के रूप में देता हो. ठीक है, उनको बोलते हैं sharecropper. And next word is here resolute. Resolute means determined. Okay, the word is about the person Rajkumar Shukla. Okay, resolute. Now, he told Gandhi that he was a sharecropper. The man Rajkumar Shukla told that he was a sharecropper. मतलब वो एक sharecropper है, दूसरे लोगों के खेतों में काम करता है और उनको रेंट के रूप में अपनी फसल का कुछ हिस्सा देता है. A sharecropper is a farmer who gives a part of the crop as rent to the owner of that piece of land that he cultivates. He told him that because of an old agreement, many of the peasants in Champaran, okay, in that place were sharecroppers. He had come to meet Gandhi on someone's suggestion as he was determined to find a solution for the sharecroppers who were facing hardships due to this agreement. He sought Gandhi's help and there he was to seek a help from Gandhi. That's why somebody told him speak to Gandhi. यानी कि वो वहां पे इसलिए आए थे क्योंकि उन्हें गांधी जी की हेल्प चाहिए थी. Gandhi told Shukla he had an appointment in Kanpur and was also committed to go other parts of India. Shukla accompanied him everywhere. Then Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram for weeks. He never left Gandhi's side. Fix a date, he begged. Impressed by the sharecropper's tenacity and story, Gandhi said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a date. Come and meet me and take me from there. Now committed means dedicated, okay? And accompanied means go somewhere with someone as a companion or escort, okay? And next word is here Kanpur. Kanpur is a name, British name for the city Kanpur. Britishers इस city को कानपुर बुलाते थे. अब आफ्टर हियरिंग हिज प्रॉब्लम, हिज मीन्स राजकुमार शुक्ला की जो प्रॉब्लम थी उसको सुनने के बाद गांधी जी टोल्ड हिम दैट ही हैड टू विजिट कानपुर. गांधी जी ने उनको बताया कि उनको तो अभी कानपुर जाना है एंड सम अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया ड्यू टू प्रायर अपॉइंटमेंट्स. ओके, शुक्ला वेंट विद हिम एवरीवेयर, बट शुक्ला ने उनको हर जगह उनके साथ गए. After this, Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla was always there with him for several weeks, begging him to fix a date to visit चंपारण. लेकिन शुक्ला उनके साथ अहमदाबाद तक गए और उनसे कहते रहे कि आप चंपारण आइए, उसके लिए अपनी कोई एक डेट फिक्स कीजिए. Now, impressed by the sharecropper's tenacity, Gandhi said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such date. Come and meet me and take me from there. तो कहते हैं कि मुझे इन डेट पे कहाँ रहना है, कलकत्ता रहना है, आप वहाँ आइए और मुझसे वहाँ पे मिलिए जो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है उसको लेकर. ठीक है. टेनेसिटी मीन्स डिटर्मिनेशन. एज द मैन वाज डिटरमिन्ड टू मीट गांधी एंड टू टेक हिम टू चंपारण. Month passed. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta. When Gandhi arrived, he waited till Gandhi was free. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of Congress Party and of India. You know, Rajendra Prasad was a lawyer that time. Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but the servants knew. The servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the ground with his companion Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant. But Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well, lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? Now, dear students, let's continue the story. Here first see the word meanings. Haunches means thighs and boarded means get on, to board a train. Yeoman, a man who cultivates a small piece of land, that is called yeoman. Here the word is yeoman. Next, pestered. Pestered means bother, harass. Permitted means allowed. Okay. Now, dear students, as Gandhi was impressed with the determination of the peasant. जो राजकुमार शुक्ला थे उनके डिटर्मिनेशन से गांधी जी काफी क्या हुए, इम्प्रेस हुए. ओके, एंड he said that he would be visiting Kolkata after a few months and that Shukla should meet him there. On the day that had been fixed, Shukla was eagerly waiting for Gandhiji. When Gandhi got free, they both took a train to Patna. Then they went to the house of a lawyer, Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of India. When they reached there, he was not at home. But the servants allowed both of them to stay at the grounds because they knew Shukla. They all knew him because Shukla used to assist their master in helping indigo sharecroppers. They didn't allow Gandhi to draw water from their well as they took him to be an untouchable. उन्होंने गांधी जी को अपने कुएं से पानी भी नहीं खींचने दिया क्योंकि उन लोगों को लगा कि गांधी जी अनटचेबल हैं and didn't want to pollute the entire water source. और उनको लगा अगर गांधी जी उनके कुएं से पानी खींचेंगे तो पूरे कुएं का पानी क्या हो जाएगा, गंदा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता था कि ये कौन है, गांधी जी हैं, एक बहुत ही ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। आप इस चैप्टर को फिर से देखिए, समझिए, और अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ समझ ना आई हो तो आप उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। आपको कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगी हो तो उसको भी कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। थैंक यू।